Okay, so we have this barrel that we cut the top off earlier today. We're filling it up with water. And we're going to lift something heavy up. We're going to pull something heavy up this pulley there. There's a rope going up over it. And the rope's hooked to the little Kubota tractor. And something heavy is dangling from the Caterpillar tractor. Something heavy, we're going to drop it in this barrel of water. I already did a little bit of a recording to show what we have here. Are we ready?
That was funny.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to jump the barrel up.
Yeah, that was weird.
So we mixed up a ½ pound of Tannerite, and we're going to put it in this Ziploc baggie because we're going to submerge it in water, and I don't think this container will be quite watertight. So we're going to submerge it in water. We're going to fill that drum up with water. We're going to tape this to the inside of the drum, about so far down, and mark on the side of the drum where it is, and then we're going to shoot there with that full of water and see what happens. Okay? There's a drop of water right in there now.
All of that went up.
Okay, let's go check that out. Yeah, that was icky. Woo! Look at that. That was cool. Look at that one. That was neat. We got to do that every day. That's cool.